Today, we're talking about stress reduction and how to manage stress in our daily lives. Want to know the secret to reducing stress and improving your well-being? Let's get started. Stress is a normal part of life, but chronic stress can have severe consequences on our mental and physical health. Let's debunk some common myths about stress. Some people think stress is just a normal part of life and we can't avoid it. But while some stress is unavoidable, chronic stress can lead to anxiety, depression, and even physical health problems. Wright said, "Stress is the trash of modern life. We all generate it, but if you don't dispose of it properly, it will pile up and overtake your life." Here are the main types of stress. Acute stress, short-term stress from immediate threats or pressures. Chronic stress, long-term stress that persists over time and can lead to health problems. Episodic stress, stress that occurs in response to specific events or situations. So, how can we reduce stress? Here are some effective tips. Deep breathing exercises can calm your mind and body. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Physical activity is a great stress reducer. Engage in activities you enjoy, like walking, jogging, or yoga. Mindfulness meditation can help you focus on the present moment and reduce worries about the past or future. Time management is crucial. Prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and take breaks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Social support is vital. Connect with friends, family, or a therapist for stress can be positive, keeping you alert, motivated, and ready to avoid danger. For example, if you have an important test coming up, a stress response might help your body work harder and stay awake longer. But stress becomes a problem when stressors continue without relief or periods of relaxation. Physical symptoms of stress may include aches and pains, chest pain, or a feeling like your heart is racing, exhaustion or trouble sleeping, headaches, dizziness, or shaking, high blood pressure, hypertension, muscle tension or jaw clenching, stomach or digestive problems, trouble having sex, weakened immune system. Stress can lead to emotional and mental psychological symptoms, like anxiety or irritability, depression, panic attacks, sadness. Stress rashes often appear as pink or discolored raised bumps called hives. Hives are welts that can develop and swell on the surface of your skin. They can itch, burn, and even hurt. Hives are usually an allergic reaction to something, like certain kinds of foods, fabrics, or chemicals, but sometimes stress can trigger an outbreak. Many people ask that how long does stress last? Stress can be a short-term issue or a long-term problem, depending on what changes in your life. Regularly using stress management techniques can help you avoid most physical, emotional, and behavioral symptoms of stress. Too much. This combination of reactions to stress is also known as the fight or flight response because it evolved as a survival mechanism, enabling people and other mammals to react quickly to life-threatening situations. The carefully orchestrated yet near-instantaneous sequence of hormonal changes and physiological responses helps someone to fight the threat off or flee to safety. Unfortunately, the body can also overreact to stressors that are not life-threatening, such as traffic jams, work pressure, and family difficulties. When someone experiences a stressful event, the amygdala, an area of the brain that contributes to emotional processing, sends a distress signal to the hypothalamus. This area of the brain functions like a command center, communicating with the rest of the body through the nervous system so that the person has the energy to fight or flee. The good news is that reducing stress is within your control. Start with small changes and find what works best for you. Consider trying relaxation techniques like progressive muscle relaxation or visualization. And if you're struggling with chronic stress, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases feel-good hormones and reduces tension. Eat a balanced diet. Nutritious food fuels the brain and improves mood. Get enough sleep. A rested mind can handle stress better. Practice relaxation. Try deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Stay connected. Talk to friends or family when you're feeling down. Time management. Break tasks into smaller steps. Don't take on too much at once. Take breaks. Short breaks during work or study can refresh your mind. Seek help when needed. Talk to a counselor or mental health professional if stress becomes too much. How to make stress your friend. Making stress your friend involves changing your perspective and learning to manage it effectively. Here are some tips. Reframe stress. 1. View stress as a challenge. Instead of seeing stress as a threat, view it as an opportunity for growth and learning. 2. Focus on the positive. Identify the potential benefits of stress, such as increased motivation or improved focus. Manage stress. 1. Practice relaxation techniques. Regularly practice techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help calm your mind and body. 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help reduce stress and improve mood. 3. Set boundaries. Learn to say no and prioritize tasks to manage your workload and reduce stress. 4. Seek support. Build a support network of friends, family, or a therapist to help you cope with stress. Develop a growth mindset. 1. Believe in your ability to handle stress. Trust that you can manage stress and overcome challenges. 2. Learn from setbacks. View failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. By adopting these strategies, you can transform your relationship with stress and make it a more manageable and even beneficial part of your life. Questions that people ask a lot about stress? Question 1. Can stress make you sick? Yes. When stress is ongoing and chronic, it can lead to stress-related illness. Question 2. Can stress cause hair loss? Yes. Stress can contribute to hair loss. Significant stress can push hair follicles into a resting phase, leading to increased shedding, and in some cases can also trigger or worsen other hair loss conditions, like alopecia areata. 3. Can stress cause memory loss? Stress can impact memory by impairing short-term memory, affecting concentration and focus, and reducing the ability to learn new information. Chronic stress can also harm the hippocampus, a key region for memory. However, managing stress can help alleviate these effects, promoting better cognitive function and overall well-being. Question 4. Can we die from stress? Chronic or extreme stress can contribute to serious health issues, like heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, diabetes, and mental health conditions, increasing mortality risk. Managing stress through healthy habits can help mitigate these risks. Question 5. What is burnout and how can it differ from stress? Burnout is a state of emotional, mental, and physical exhaustion caused by prolonged stress and overwork. Unlike stress, burnout is characterized by emotional numbness, reduced motivation, and decreased performance, often leading to significant impairment in daily life. While stress can be temporary, burnout is chronic and can have long-term effects if left unaddressed. In conclusion, understanding stress and its effects is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. By recognizing the signs of stress and burnout, individuals can take proactive steps to manage their mental and physical health. Effective stress management involves adopting healthy coping mechanisms, prioritizing self-care, and seeking support when needed. By doing so, individuals can build resilience, improve their quality of life, and navigate life's challenges with confidence and clarity. By taking control of stress, we can unlock our full potential and live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching our